guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving session 1828. Curious on number of points in the circle. So you are given an array with point I, xi, yi is the coordinate, is the i's pointing on 2D planes. Before I start, subscribe to my channel, okay? So multiple points can have the same coordinate. Nice shot. You also given an array curious where q is j. So you also give a curious j. Basically, curious is xj, yj, rj is a circle. Right, so basically you have some points and after some circle. For each curious j, compute the number of points inside j circle pointing on the border of circle are considered inside. So basically, for each circle, right? So you have a multiple circle. For each circle, you just compute how many circles, how many points are inside that circle. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this problem is very. Let's say maybe we see this example. So we give the curious. We have 3 circles. This blue, green, and red, and we have 4 points. So for this 2, 3, 1, I think 2, 3, 1 is this green circle, right? So there are 3 points on the green circle. So the first one is 3, and 2 points on the red circle, and 2 points in the right and the blue circle. So 3, 2, 2. Yeah, so it's very easy, right? Let's assume the answer is 0. Let's assume that the answer is just this, and for curious, this is the coordinates of the circle, the x coordinate, y coordinate of the center, and the radius. Let's assume number is 0. Then once we fix the curious, and we get the points, how many points. So this is the x, the point, and we calculate the distance. If the distance is less than if the center of that point, the distance is less than or equal to the radius, then it's inside a circle, right? The number add 1, and for each curious, we just append it. So just do basically the 2 for loop, and finally you just return the answer. Yeah, just straightforward, right? Understand this question, just write down the code straightforward, can easily solve this one. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.